Baby, I'm sorry.
Good morning, happy Friday. I'm in a wonderful mood. I wasn't planning to vlog today, but then here I am. Update from the last vlog. Weird wrist thing is healing up nicely. We have some dry skin layers peeling off. I don't know, apparently that section of my arm really suffered some trauma. Guys, I've been on a really great cooking roll lately. Haven't Postmated and I couldn't tell you how long. However, today, and maybe this is why I'm suddenly in such a good mood, I decided I was gonna get Alfred's. So I'm taking a break from the sweet cream cold brew with peppermint. Also, a brief, very important clarification, because every morning I wake up and I've already been tagged in a ton of stories of you guys trying the drink, which I love. I love seeing it. Please keep them coming. But I can see on the little order slips, and this makes me nervous because I worry that I may have endorsed accidentally something that's not good. I think some people have been ordering the vanilla sweet cream cold brew, or the people have just typed it in as vanilla sweet cream cold brew. Make sure if you see them doing that, or they say that, whatever, clarify you don't want vanilla, you want peppermint. I've gotten some messages of people being like, oh my gosh, I messed up and blah, 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 it was nasty. And I imagine it would be nasty. So if you think you've tried the drink I'm talking about and you hated it, I would challenge and ask if you got somehow the vanilla sweet cream cold brew, because that worries me. I asked for stevia and I was given sugar in the raw. That's not even close to the same. That's fine. I just had a wonderful week. If you haven't seen my last vlog, check that out. I vlogged on Wednesday as well. Whenever this video goes up, my cleaning my room video will already be live, so you can check that out. It's crazy. We got rid of hundreds of items. I'm decorating my house for Christmas at some point this weekend. Even if I do it today though, which I feel like I probably won't, but even if I do, that will be in a main channel video entirely. This whole week has been like from the moment I wake up until pretty much like probably close to the moment I go to bed, unless I'm like working out or I give myself like a little bit of time at night to like watch an episode of Quantico or something. But I have been filming and editing and just like negotiating things and like whatnot, like nonstop this entire week. It's been a very busy week. Today I think I only have a little bit of light editing to do, but I'm not gonna film unless, actually I need to film my at-home workout, but then I'm not filming like a whole video unless I film the decorating for Christmas. So this part of our home has become a holding zone for all of our Christmas decor. Just a little pumpkin on top that needs to go back in here. This closet is just like overflowing with holiday decor and like Janine's packages that still get mailed here, and we were just fresh out of room, so I don't know where all this stuff's gonna go that I've gotten for this year. I can't wait. We're gonna have a tree here. Also, I realized last year we didn't have this mirror, and I had a second tree in that corner, and it like made the whole house like cohesively Christmas and everything, but obviously that's not gonna work this year, so we now have another tree that I don't know where we're gonna put it. So TBD on that. First task this morning, exporting Saturday's video. Need to make a thumbnail but can't decide which of these 3 screenshots I want to build it off of. I took this one thinking, oh, I'll make that into a thumbnail, but this doesn't look that messy. This I feel like is cooler because it has a whole room, but it doesn't look that messy. Again, you can't even see my face. This, there's like the best text placement options here when I like envision where I'd say stuff, but then it's like, does this even look that cool because it's just me in shirts? I don't think I have a good option, but I don't really have the energy to take another photo. Let me know which one you would click on. Might make all 3 and then see which one's the best. Guys, it is only a matter of time until I get out the Christmas candles, but today these are my 2 favorite Target candles in general in life. I don't know what I thought Earl Grey was gonna smell like. I know that's a tea, but it is the best smelling candle, and it actually does a great job of like filling a room or like our house with the smell. It's very fragrant. This one's super good as well. It smells like that volcano candle from Anthropologie. I've been laying in my bed sending a couple invoices. I need to make a thumbnail, but I'm still procrastinating on that. I also need to take donations to Goodwill. Maybe I'll do that, but then I have to get changed. Very tough. All right, I'm beginning to take some photos for Poshmark listings. I'm only 2 items in, and I'm remembering why I don't do this, because it's just time consuming. And I'm only selling items that are from good brands, A, so that like you guys can get them at a good value, but B, so that like it's actually worth my time versus reselling like a Boohoo shirt, you know what I mean? That's like cheap to start with, and therefore like at a resale value isn't gonna be making me enough to like be worth it, you know what I mean? Even though like this isn't like that hard, it's just a bit time consuming alongside some other tasks I need to do. But I'm going ahead and starting to take a bunch of photos of things. I'll have my Poshmark linked in this as well. What I'm wearing now is just this little crew neck sweatshirt from Zara that's super comfy, and then these jeans I just got from Express that are kind of like a little bit of like a baggy fit and are really comfy. My mind's officially on the weekend, so I'm probably not gonna do much else today. All right, I'm about to head out. I'm going to dinner with Monica and Shelby to a place called Zinque in West Hollywood. It's really cute. It's kind of like a wine bar type thing. I hadn't been there at night until the other day with Kinsey and Quentin, and it was so good because during the day you like order up, but at night they wait on you and it's all fancy and fun. I think I'm like head to toe Express, except Earrings and jacket are Princess Polly. This long sleeve bodysuit's Express. These jeans are Express. Booties are Princess Polly. This belt's Express, which is gold chains all the way around, and then my bag's H&M. Oh, and I kicked the mirror. And I need to call the Uber. Bye. We're at Zinque, Shelby, and Young Money. Ooh. Monica and I are bowling now. I'm now home and in bed. My vlog camera is only on my desk, not very far away, but I can't get up because I'm too sleepy. But basically, Monica and I came home. We watched some of the new Queer Eye season, which I didn't realize was out, but we were just scrolling through Netflix and saw it. They're like Japan season. We watched that for a little bit, but we were pretty tired, so reading the subtitles was a lot. So we watched some Architect Digest mansion tours, and now I'm going to sleep, and it's like maybe 10 o'clock on a Friday night. But we have a big day ahead. I'm gonna try to get up early because I want to get some stuff done before my plans tomorrow. We're going to 29 rooms and doing some other fun things. But yeah, we'll pick that up then. So I'm just gonna combine this. Good night. Good morning. Rise and shine, as Kylie might say. So cozy right now. Happy Saturday. I have had a very chill, wonderful, relaxing morning. Kenzie and I have been texting about how Saturdays at home are the best and how we're both just becoming antisocial and never leaving our homes, or at least I am. I just love being here. Something about a weekend morning at home. It's not like 10:30 a.m. I've been up for a couple hours and I've just been lounging, checking in on my cleaning video, been taking photos of some things to post on Poshmark. Guys, how am I ever supposed to motivate myself to keep my room clean when these videos do so well? I'll give you some insider intel. My views are 87% higher than normal because people are watching it longer. So I go in here and this compares like literally by like every 5 minutes, like what the normal range, like low and high, I don't know how they decide this, but for views at a given time is. And then this line up here is where mine's at. So she's doing good. My legs hurt. All right, a little time has passed. Just did my at-home workout for that main channel video, and I should have put my hair up. Why I didn't, I don't know. It's just like maybe the poorest decision I've ever made in my whole life. So everything's sweaty now. I don't have time to wash my hair because it didn't need to be washed. But then why didn't I put it up? I couldn't tell you. I have no idea. Oh man. It's now like 12. I need to leave the house in like an hour. Me and Shelby and some of our other friends are going to 29 rooms in LA, which I've never been to and like honestly never really even cared to go to. I feel like I just see it all over Instagram and it's literally just a bunch of rooms and like photo backdrops and like different brands. I'm pretty sure like sponsor different rooms and whatever, but we're going to that for whatever reason. Just as like a thing to do to hang out, and then we'll see where the day takes us. Here's my outfit. Forever wearing the same top. I was gonna wear the exact outfit I wore last night. I had that long sleeve bodysuit on, but then checked the weather and it's gonna be 81. So wearing the same jeans though, same gold belt, and then booties, which might be a regret. My Uber driver has picked me up. Shelby. Hello, 5 stars. And we're discussing whether or not, because Monica's been in town this weekend, whether or not they look alike. Like if you think they were twins. I don't think so at all. Like I don't know, but she's saying that lately people who like don't know them have been like saying stuff. Store employees, they're like, oh my god, you guys are you guys twins? Like, oh my gosh, you're identical. And we're like, what? But I literally think like you guys could pass for being unrelated. Like not even, I mean, obviously I think you could look like, you do look like sisters because you are, but I feel like you could also justify not even being related. Anyways, anyone like, who knows what Monica looks like, people that know. Like don't know us well enough. Yeah, I guess that's true. But when you know, like, because I feel like I've known twins that look super like actually so identical. And then but even once I got to know them, I was like, no, they do look pretty different. But then I took a step back, I was like, wait, no, they look the same. Yeah. So very harsh lighting at this hour, apparently. Shelby and I are about to what are we even doing? Oh, we're about to whip it through Starbucks. I'm introducing her to the drink. You guys know. So excited. I just told her what I was ordering and she was like, wait, we are gonna, because we were gonna like order it on a phone, and I was like, I don't think I can because it's like a custom thing, or at least you can't Postmate it. Maybe you can still do it on the Starbucks app. But she was like, that sounds so good, we're gonna go in. But I've gotten everyone hooked on it. There are so many lines. I didn't anticipate lots of lines. We're about to get our palms read in here.
Future that sits right in the palm of your hand.
Oh my gosh.
Here,
it's guided. We're like giving a stranger one. Okay,
after all, life becomes so much more divine.
Well, I look demonic, and I look like a big cat.
Yours is so wrinkled.
Mine like doesn't fit my face.
No.
I literally look like the Grinch and or a big theatrical cat. This is Matilda, if you can't recognize her.
I mean, clearly it looks just like me.
Round 2. We're going fluorescent, baby.
We're going strong.
Supposedly gonna solidify and then peel off in the next 20 to 30 minutes, which is like a while. All right, folks, I'm now back at home. Had a very chill day with a lot of great pals. Those face masks we did earlier ripped out every single hair from my face, so I now therefore can't stop touching it because it feels so soft, but also I'm like, I'm gonna have myself a nice relaxing Sunday. Let me know what you guys have done this weekend. Also, a random thing I just want to mention, can someone please notify me the second that anyone sees that Trader Joe's has Christmas things in store? I just need to know. I don't know when it's gonna happen. There's like no info on when that's gonna happen. But if you see a Christmas thing, you see someone post about it, I need to know as soon as they get in their Christmas grocery items. Random, but if someone could do me that solid. It's now like 11, I'm going to sleep. Hope y'all had a wonderful weekend, and I will see you in my next vlog.